coming down. Keep you safe. No! Goodbye, old friend.
Hey everybody, it's Alabama Deep. I'm coming back at you. So we're over here. We're looking at the pocket watch. I was putting it back together. I've done so, and look and behold what we have here. We have a functioning pocket watch. Love it. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Now, it's running. I made one little mistake on this. Before I assembled this, and I could always take it back out, I may need to adjust that screw on the balance, whether it loosens it up or tightens it, so it'll have less friction to run. But it is functioning where it wasn't before. So that's very, very good. So learning this dollar pocket watch, which is fairly simple to do, I have now a functioning pocket watch to add to my collection. So I need to finish putting the screws back into here to hold it in place. Now I have this half wound, so that's okay. That's okay the way it is. I could wind it all the way. I think the mainspring is old and tired too. So in the future, I'm going to have to buy another mainspring for it. This is so far only halfway wound, but it seems a little underpowered. So I may have to do that. And like I said, it's really hard to work on these things with the camera in my way, but okay. We'll do whatever it takes to get it back to fully together. But I'll commend this as being a success, that we have a running pocket watch and it's ready to go. And I'm now just waiting on the genuine article to arrive. So I can put it together. So I'm very, very happy this has started to work again and function. God knows when the last time this thing actually ran. It's probably been decades. It does have a little bit of rust here and there, but not on the movement itself, just on the case and the screws. So, and like I said, these pocket watches are very, very easy to work on. They are just a bigger version of a wristwatch. And being a bigger version simply means that I can work on it easier. My hands are a bit jittery today. I so desperately want to work on that Rolex over there beside me. But until my hands clear up, I just don't know if I'm going to do that or not. That screw does not want to go in. I wonder why. I have followed all my own advice on everything. Let me loosen this up just a little bit. So, and I may go for the other side, kind of like you do on your car tire when you're changing out lugs. I do want to make sure that everything is in place. That does not seem to be in place at all. Ah, I think I see. Yes, yes, yes. I do see. Let me go ahead and move this. Yep. Okay, so it looks like I kind of have to hold this in my hand in order to get the screws in, which is fine. So that's not a big deal. I'm sorry, Mr. Balance Wheel. I know you want to go, and my fingers are probably holding you up. So, but it's nice that I have a, like I said, I have something that's going to run. And my pocket watch is like, hurry the heck up, because it wants to go. Where is my pad at? Let me get my pad right here. Okay. There we go. I've got that started. Probably need a little bit of a thicker one. This thing wants to go too. I think that's really cool that it's wanted to start this. Okay. So I've got them all started. Looks like it's pulling it up closer and closer to where it wants to be for the hatchback of it. So there we go. One more screw after this and it'll be started. So let me get the last one lined up. Kind of like I told y'all, working on putting your nuts on the rim of your car when you change a tire, doing a star pattern so it'll line up. This is the same basic principle as that, only it's just a lot smaller. Okay. That's in. Let me make sure the crystal is clean. Let me pop that on. Well, let me make sure the back's on first, I guess. There we go. Pad out of the way. I'm trying to remember if this screwed on or if this just popped on. There we go. There we go. It's back together. That is awesome. There we go. All right. That concludes Will It Run? The ending of the Titanic pocket watch. But we're not done yet. Now, yes, we're getting back to Rolex and Tudor on the next couple episodes. So there's a sigh of relief for everybody. But also, I just want to make it perfectly clear that I am not quite done with this just yet. I am waiting on the correct model to come in with the missing parts. I'm going to hunt down the missing parts, and we're going to restore that correct model to this. And then we're going to have ourselves the Stewart's identical pocket watch from Titanic. I'm going to put it in my Titanic collection that I have. And let's see if I can zoom out just a little bit. Here we are. I did get my rivet in. I have it in my collection. I will show you a picture at the end of the video. And I have all my Titanic memorabilia still stored away, a lot of it. I put them in different boxes, and I had a few things with my watch stuff. And so you'll see the piece of the wreck wood again. And then you're going to see my rivet that I have here from the hull of the ship. And it'll be added to my collection. This is going up with it right now. Even though it's, like I said, 10, 12 years off. It is, in fact, very, very close to what they would have. And the correct one is on its way now. I think it's still in Colorado. But it should be reaching us very, very soon. And when it comes in, I'll do a little quick video on it. In the meantime, I've got a nice pocket watch that is working pretty well, it looks like. And it's going to be in my collection of other pocket watches. So, there you go. We fixed one. Even though it's got a worn down mainspring, it's still functioning. So that's good. And I'll take that for $1 because it's $1 pocket watch. All right, everybody. I'll see y'all in the next episode. Wrist check today. I am wearing my Rolex 1503 or whatever it is. I believe 15000 series. I'm wearing that one today. And I may swap out for a gold one here in a minute because I kind of feel like I'm in a gold mood. But here we go. I'm ecstatic. All right, everybody. I'll see y'all on the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Help support my channel. We got the Timekeeper Society. I'm going to be putting pictures of this watch and my Titanic rivet in there for sure. Please join that. Help support my channel if you do not mind. Maybe we can get some better equipment in here and some better cameras and things like that, and we can start doing other fun things for more members. So if y'all wanted to, drop a donation at $JJEMBALM27 for Cash App, and we'll see what we can do. Just do what you feel like doing. Until then, I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now. Alrighty. First of all, here's every single watch I have ever fixed. I've got more. I've got a lot more. Every single watch I've ever fixed. And I've got some down here I haven't fixed yet. Either which way, there is my Titanic rivet, and there is the wreck wood. Alright guys, gals, I'll see y'all on the next one. Quite a bit of watches, I'd say. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.